This is from a split queen that I got from my big hive, and she is just making brood beautifully. I'm very, very impressed with her excellent new brood. I'm very impressed with her. Sundara, mother of ambrosia. Beautiful, yeah, you know, you betcha. Nice, a comb, a natural comb, building, nice mountain